Hey guys, are you ready to say goodbye to Zoom? Whether you're switching tools or simplifying, here's how to delete your Zoom account for good. Visit Zoom.us, log in and head to your account management page. In the left sidebar, click Admin, then go to Account Management and select Account Profile. Scroll down and click on Terminate My Account. You'll be asked to confirm. Once you do, your Zoom account and its all data will be permanently deleted. This action cannot be undone. And that's it. Zoom access removed. Need help switching platforms or exporting data? Click our other videos for them. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this tutorial. Subscribe for more videos just like this and comment down below if you are still using Zoom or have already deleted your account. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next video.